Welcome, baby. Wow.
Baby, look! It's a new truck sand toy. Let's open it up.
Let's open it up.
Wow!
No, whoa.
Look, there's so many cars.
Whoa. I want you.
Yeah.
A shovel blue. Is your shovel blue?
Look, there's the sand.
Chuchin.
Yeah. Look, there are more cars.
Oh, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do?
Baby, look, I have more sand for you.
Oh, more sand?
Yeah, more sand.
That's nice. You get no more sand?
Yeah. Yeah, let's start building.
Oh, I do. Open these. Open these.
Here you go.
I go.
The bulldozer.
Nice.
Baby. Wow, there's so many.
Look, a shovel. Look, a shovel cool. Sand.
Yeah, what is this, baby? What's this?
Excavator.
Look, it's an excavator.
Your excavator. Look, it's different.
Yeah, it's different. This is a bulldozer. What is this, baby?
Car.
I think it's a forklift.
Look, wheels like this.
Yeah, wheels like this.
That's one.
That's one. This, baby.
It's one.
Yeah, it works. Come on, baby. Let's open everything up.
Right here.
Okay, let's add some sand.
Look, it's shovel.
Let's add some more.
That's more. I'm good, you good.
The sand's so soft. Pat, 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 pat. Let's move it.
Look, more sand.
Baby, move. I have more sand.
Oh, more sand?
Yeah, more sand.
Whoa, wait,
We gotta make space for the other sand.
It's so hard.
Here you go, baby.
Here
you
Okay, I got it. I shed it.
There's plenty of corn.
I shed here. I shed.
Let's put some cones here. And let's put this right here.
Let's put
Let's
right
put
here.
this fixing sign right here.
I'll put it one.
This one right here.
Let's
Baby,
put
they don't
it
like that. Put the one right here. Put one right here. All done. Now it's time to set all of these toys and cars. Come on, baby, let's set it up. We're all done.
Oh, done!
Okay, baby, let's play.
Hey.
Oh, sorry, I gotta take your sand.
Hey. I hear
Whoa. Okay.
a car here.
Yeah, it's a car. It's a, what is it, baby? Is it a bulldozer?
Car.
No, it's a bulldozer, baby.
No, it's car.
It's a bulldozer.
No, it's car.
Bulldozer.
No, it's car.
We're almost done with my pyramid. Okay. Look, baby, I made a pyramid. I
Why?
made my pyramid. Look, baby, I made a pyramid.
Nice.
That's fun. Let's make a wall. Add some sand.
Oh, hard.
What do you want to make, baby? You can use this. Here.
Okay.
Here, baby.
Yeah,
No, that's fine. Baby, use this sand. Here, baby. Use some sand.
Okay.
Let's make this now. Okay. Now, let's put it right here and give it a very good pat.
I do this one. I should.
Take it out. Look, baby.
Whoa, I'm making a house.
You making a house? Time
Yeah.
to break it.
And then I make it blue.
What's to make that? Can I have that, baby? Oh,
No.
no, the sand.
I blue.
Look how much sand it collected. Baby. Baby, open your eyes.
It's called out.
Okay, baby. Where are the cars? You gotta use your shovel and dig the cars out.
Oh, I need this blue.
Yeah, you use the blue shovel. Let's see if you found anything.
I found something.
What did you find?
I found Lolo.
Oh, you found this one.
I found something.
Here.
I found Bowser. I found Bowser. I found something.
What did you find?
I found accelerator.
Come on, baby. Let's find more.
I found some. Yeah, I found dump truck.
You found dump truck. Good job.
I found something.
Wow, you found a bulldozer. That's my excavator.
I found accelerator.
Oh, I made a brick. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey, watching. Bye.